Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. So it seems as if LINK is still caught in the correction. It still seems as if LINK is waiting for Bitcoin to potentially start a pullback so that LINK can get down here and move down in this C wave. Yeah, but we'll see. I mean, at the moment, the short-term trend is still up. I suggested to you that it takes a break below, and it's now a different level, because it will always be adjusted with the price, and we made a new high today, but only really a slightly higher high. But it takes a break below $15.29 to have a first indication that some kind of a top is in place there. Yeah, and that this B wave has likely topped and that the C wave to the downside is starting. So at the moment, it seems like a very corrective move to the upside. It's also not really moving very aggressively, and it still has a lot of space in this current B wave. So LINK can without a problem stretch a little higher. The ideal target, to be honest, based on the sub wave structure of an ABC structure, is at $17.07. That's the 100% extension level. But also the other resistance areas here, or resistance levels, FIB resistances or FIB retracement levels, are relevant for this B wave. Yeah, so the idea is that a third wave topped here. You will know that if you've watched the previous videos. Third wave in a diagonal topped possibly on the 11th of November. We're now pulling back in this fourth wave, A, B, C. The B wave, again, as an ABC structure, where the B wave is the triangle, and then that C wave here higher. Yeah, I mean, the 1-to-1 ratio, which is a common target for a C wave, that actually points towards that $17.07 level. Yeah, anything above that could send it to 1764 and 1830. And to be honest, above 1830, I have to assume that the wave 4 already bottomed and that we are already in the fifth wave rally to the upside. I don't have any evidence for that at this stage. So while I am still watching for locally higher prices, as long as that $15.29 level is holding, I'm also very mindful that while Bitcoin is going up, LINK seems to be struggling a bit. And yeah, we'll see. I mean, again, you know, you can't predict these corrective movements exactly. To talk about ideal structures, yeah, it would be ideal to get that C wave to the downside. But I've got these boxes on the charts for a reason. They can be used to scale in. And once a box is triggered, technically speaking, the low can be in. It's just that we then have to weigh probabilities, have to look at the structure, have to confirm different structures, and the wave 2 is just much longer than this wave 4. And that would just suggest maybe we come down a little lower, right? But overall, the overall comment here that has been very consistent on this channel is that as long as we're holding that 50% retracement level down there, the assumption is for another fifth wave to the upside. Now, we can calculate the targets for the fifth wave based on the latest low, but that is very temporary and may change if the price makes another low that is a little lower. So this is only measured against the last low that was formed. And then we have targets. Let me adjust that. Basically, from here, yeah, the minimum target that we would like to see is $20.55 based on latest price action. But again, that will reduce if we make another low in wave 4. So, but that would be the minimum, $20.55. I think the more ideal target would be $27.38. That's a 61.8 extension. If we break above that, then 33.60. But these are only temporary targets, really based on the last lows. So we have to remain a little bit patient to get a bit of clarity. Is the wave 5 already unfolding? I would really only be able to confirm that with a break above $18.30. And if another pullback into this zone shows, then below $15.26, I would start to assume that. And I would then also give you a proper target for this C wave of wave 4. That's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.